Thanks very much. That was very nice of you.
No one expected we'd be nice.
Jesus, I'm so full of shit. I already told you that. Do you want to come in and get a drink? I've got loads of drinks and
Yeah?
no, never mind. Sorry. That was stupid of me. I'm so embarrassed. Thanks, I like it too. I've been here around 4 years. It's really cheap, which is great. And my downstairs neighbour's old, so she's quiet. The landlord is really nice, which is bizarre, but you know, great. I've got a little garden out the back where I can, you know, sit and read, or, you know, look at the moon. 2 salty dogs. You like that?
Very much.
You know, a guy gave it to me recently. I really like wolves. I think I used to be a wolf. Awoo!
That's a very good wolf you did.
Huh? Do you believe in reincarnation?
I don't know.
Yeah, me neither.
Cheers.
Oh, God, that feels so good. Take yours off.
I'm fine.
Well, have a seat anyway. Ready for another?
No, I'm okay for now.
Well, I'm ready. Put some music on.
What do you want to hear?
You pick it.
Just say I'm not really...
I don't know. Just pick something good.